So sometimes when you're working with stock images, you can find really good stock images that fits your brand perfectly, got perfect illustrator style or whatever you need. But unfortunately, they might not fit your brand colors. For a lot of the images in the stock library, there's a really easy fix for this, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pick some graphics, and graphics you find in Elements, and then you can pick whatever you like here, and I just pre-picked a couple here. So for example, this one, and we're just going to grab another one as well. For example, this one. Unfortunately, this technique only works on some graphics, and there is no way of finding out from this panel whether or not a graphics has this feature or not, because even though you can right click on them, it doesn't actually say anything that helps us identify whether or not this image works with this feature. If you put it into your document and you click like this, you can see up here it says edit image, and then it has all of these colors. If we take the other one, it doesn't have this. It says edit photo, and then it doesn't have this feature. So these two files, although I found them in the same folder on Canva, are two different formats, and one of them you can change the colors and the other one you can't. It all has to do with where they came from and what format they were imported in. This one is probably an SVG file that's been imported into Canva. If you have your own SVG files, you can do the same. If you have a PNG file, for example, this would happen. And you can change colors on this, but you have to treat it like a photo, so there's a different technique for that. But if you have SVG files, or if you have files from over here that has that feature, you can use them. So this one we have to delete. And just while we're at it, I'm just going to show you down here. If you have stickers like this with animations on, they do have the same feature. They have the same option for changing the colors. And again, there's no guarantee. Some of them work and some of them don't. So what I've done here is I picked a series of images which are all related to travel that I would like to change the colors up for. And I want the colors to be this collection of colors which I made in another video. So I'm going to take this little collection of colors here, and I'm just going to drop it in here so we can see what we're doing. So when you click on your image, you pick the first color and you just click on that. And then you have this palette. And unfortunately, even though it does contain these colors, it contains an awful lot of other colors. So what I would recommend you do is you use this button here, which says plus, and then it has this little eyedropper. And then you go over here and you pick that color. And then you go to the next one and you can do the same. So you pick the bear color here. And you do the same. And maybe it's got a green map and still a yellow rucksack. And maybe that one was a little bit too green, so we'll pick this one instead. There you go. So I'm just going to quickly do the rest of these. Here's the original, and here are the new green ones. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and now we're ready to make all sorts of cool graphics in your brand colors. If you have an idea for something that you would like a video about, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.